Luxurious comfort awaits you at 11 Knights Court Mullica Hill. In the premier enclave of Knights Court, this 6-bedroom, 6-bath estate of nearly 5,000 square feet is situated on over an acre of land on a quiet cul-de-sac. An incredible outdoor paradise features a huge Trex deck that overlooks the fully heated in-ground pool with a built-in hot tub. Inside, luxury features you would expect from an estate of this caliber. The impressive 2-story foyer with crystal candelabra chandelier overhead leads to the formal dining room, which is elegant and dramatic. The living room, open to the kitchen, is the perfect spot to relax with family and enjoy the company of one another while warming by the fire. The state-of-the-art chef's kitchen has all the high-end upgrades to excite any culinary enthusiast, including gorgeous granite countertops, classic cherry 42-inch cabinetry, and center island workspace with built-in sink. Upstairs, the master suite is nothing short of spectacular, with a fully custom walk-in closet and luxurious ensuite bathroom, featuring an oversized jacuzzi soaking tub encased in marble, custom solid wood his and her vanity, and huge walk-in stall shower with unique tile finishes and multiple showerhead massage jets. 3 additional bedrooms, 2 full bathrooms, and a state-of-the-art security room finish the second floor. Downstairs is the ultimate entertainment space in your fully finished walkout basement, complete with a full-sized second kitchen, dry bar, additional family room, home gym, and full bath. It's like a home within a home. Located in the highly acclaimed Harrison Township and Clearview Regional School Districts, only a 30-minute commute to Philadelphia, 5 minutes to the new Inspira Medical Center, and 6 minutes to Rowan University. Call Nancy Kowalik Real Estate for all the details and a private tour.